So I have started annotating my pictures, my research pictures, my inspiration pictures, and just literally put a text box next to them. What I've done is I've done my best to try and talk about what I can take from the idea, being specific about what I'm talking about, and also what might not be so good about the idea and how it might not help me. So things to avoid. So basically kind of a good thing, a bad thing, and then how you might make it better or how you might improve it. Now, what I've also found, obviously on these new versions of software, there's a dictate function which starts to make things a little bit faster when you're trying to sort of type your thoughts out. Sometimes you get stuck in trying to type things. So what can be quite useful is to simply take a text box, your previous text box. You can copy that, paste it, and then you can just simply talk about what you're thinking. I'm going to delete that text there. And it's as simple as this. The simple form of this bungee cord shows me that the simple design can be effective as it simply loops around the cable and holds it in place. This might help me decide how much material I need to use for my product and also how I might hold it in place. So that's a relatively straightforward. Obviously, you might need to sort out some typos and things, but that's a very effective way. If you're stuck with writing and you struggle to kind of put text on the page, sometimes that's the easiest way. It is just your thought process getting put down on the page. So that's quite an effective one. But notice how I phrase that is I'm trying to pick out the specific pieces on the actual product that are going to help me, things that I think about it. So that is what we need to do. And then once we've done that, we can then move on to thinking about what features we might want to include in our design, and therefore what we might start to design.